How well do you know KUKA? Founded in 1898, KUKA has more than 120 years' experience delivering the innovative ideas and technologies that transform our customers' businesses. From the first multi-spot welding line to the first industrial robot with 6 electric motor-driven axes, we have a proven history of providing the solutions that help manufacturers overcome complex production challenges. Today, KUKA offers an unmatched portfolio of robotic automation products and services designed to support the processes across your manufacturing footprint. From large industrial robots that handle heavy loads to small robots that deliver maximum precision and accuracy at high speeds, our comprehensive collection has you covered no matter what the application. Have a job that requires human-robot collaboration? Our lightweight, sensitive LBR EWA provides optimal performance while adhering to the highest safety standards to keep your workers protected. Keep up with constantly changing manufacturing landscapes with KUKA's Omnidirectional mobile platforms that seamlessly integrate into your processes even in the tightest work environments. Our mobile robots combine the strengths of a mobile platform with either an industrial or a lightweight, sensitive robot to provide the flexibility needed to carry out more complicated tasks. KUKA also provides an array of digital services to take your facilities to Industry 4.0 and beyond. KUKA Sim, smart simulation software that removes the guesswork from system planning, saving you valuable time and money while increasing the planning reliability of each project. Our cloud-based analytics and intelligence platform, KUKA Connect, collects and transforms your robot data into actionable insights that can be accessed from any device and used to keep you ahead of unnecessary downtime. Everything is backed up by KUKA's industry-leading commitment to customer service via our 24/7 Focus Center that provides expert support to get your technical issues solved faster and keep your processes running efficiently.
Orange Intelligenz.